guys, it's Tori. So today is Christmas. Merry Christmas. I'm doing my what I got for Christmas 2020, of course. I always do these. I think this is my third year in a row of doing this. I don't have makeup on, I usually do, but I'm just really tired, as you can tell by my face, and I just don't feel like spending 2 hours doing my makeup just to film this video. So we're gonna get started. I'm so thankful for everything I got. I'm not trying to brag, I just have been doing this for 3 years now. This is like my favorite video to film. So let me know down below what you got. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started. I always do stocking first, so this is what my stocking is. I got this Olay Whip body butter, chapstick, fruit snacks, a bunch of candy, new shaving razors. I got some cash and more chocolate, a bunch of face masks, and we also had lottery tickets, but I already went and cashed them in. I got some socks, little traveling nail kit that I'm gonna put in my purse. So that's everything I got in my stocking. So if you don't already know me, my parents are divorced, so I have my mom's Christmas at her house and my dad's Christmas, and then both sides of the family Christmas plus friends. So that's why this is gonna seem like a lot. I have one family Christmas left and still friends to gift to, but I just wanted to get this up as soon as possible, and I take a really long time to post things, so I figured I'd just get it filmed so I can get on a roll. But I just wanted to clarify that. So I have candles from Bath & Body Works. I have this 'Tis the Season. I have Vanilla Bean and also Vanilla Bean Noel. These are from my siblings. My brother got me a few and my sister got me one. And then from my mom, I got this really freaking awesome Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss set with like literally so many lip glosses, and they're so beautiful. I probably won't use like 3 or 4 of these just because they're like purple, but these nude ones right here are everything. I cannot wait to use those. My dad got me a Yeti cup. I love the color. It's super Ariana Grande vibes, and I freaking love that. My dad also got me some bath soap. I am obsessed with taking baths, and I'm like out of all of my bath products. And then he also got me the bath salts to go along with that. This is the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. I've wanted this forever, and I know he's super controversial. I don't support him as a person, I just like his brand. So I don't want a bunch of people coming at my neck, but I did get the Jawbreaker palette, and I've wanted this since it came out. It's just like a little expensive, but I'm so happy I got that. I got this card with some money in it from my grandma. My mom got me the Bath & Body Works Vanilla Snowflake candle. I actually just got coupons in the mail today, so I'm probably going to be shopping there soon. I got this body butter soap, and it literally smells like Fruit Loops. It smells so freaking good. I got this really pretty pair of earrings. They're like literally stunning. I definitely want to wear those. And then I have some more like chocolate and stuff like that. For my mom's best friend, I got this facial brush. I'm literally so excited to play with that. She also got me a steamer from Planet Vanity. It's way down under my tree, so I'm not gonna try and get it out, but I literally am obsessed with it. A pair of black high-heeled Doc Martens. I wanted these for literally ever. I have the white ones of like the normal style, but I got the black chunky ones, and I love them so much. They're like my babies. Beautiful Michael Kors purse. I have no words for it. It's like stunning. It's literally so freaking big, and I don't even know. I have no words. I'm in love with it. This little bag from my teacher at school. I'm in cosmetology, and she gave each of us our own little present, and she spoiled us rotten. So I have these aloe infused socks. They're super cute. They have a little reindeer on them. They're like adorable and super soft. She got us each the Vanilla Bean Noel body lotion, and we got a card, and then we got this customized coffee cup with a pair of scissors on it, and the scissors are like holographic. I got a new diffuser for my room. I had just like a cheap white one, but I decided to take it to my dad's house, so I have one there. And then this is from my mom's best friend. She got me this really, really pretty one. I don't know exactly where I want to put it yet, but it says it's glass and it has constellations on it, so that's like really freaking cool. I actually didn't know that. Next, I have this box from Morphe full of stuff. I got the Jaclyn Hill the Flare palette. This is for like the darker skin tones, but I just really wanted to have it because I love her so much and I couldn't get it when it first came out. It has like one shade I can probably use in it, or I could use the other 3 shades for like blush or bronzer toppers, but I got that. Packaging is stunning. I also got the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette. I did have this. The formula was terrible, so I sold it. So I got the new formulation of it, and I'm really excited to test it out and just to see how well it works. I got this cosmetic headband. It's for like when you do face masks and stuff. I feel like I could definitely like put it on backwards if I don't like want this big thing on top of my head, but I just think it's really, really cute. And if you see my curtain moving, it's my dog. She just keeps going in and out with all her brand new toys and stuff that we got her. So I got this Morphe lip liner in Sweet Tea. Everybody talks about this. I'm so glad I have this now. Once again, I have some Jeffree Star products. I have the Morphe x Jeffree Star eye brush collection. This was like on a really big sale. I knew I was getting this makeup because I picked it out, but they were literally $9, originally like $49, so I don't know what to tell you. And then I got the Morphe Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. This was on sale for I think like $5 or $6, and it's originally like 30 or something, or 40. So I just thought that was like a really good deal, and the colors are really pretty. I just thought it would be something good to have before it's completely gone and you can't get it anymore. One of the things I asked my mom for was a new wand, and I don't know where the hell she got this from, but look at this. It has 3 heads on it. It is Ion Magnesium Pro, and it has a 1-inch curling wand, a 1.5 inch, which is what I wanted for bigger curls, and then a reversed tapered wand. So I'm literally so freaking excited about this. Like, that is the one main thing other than the Jeffree Star palette that I really wanted. Now I have this super cute little bag. I'm pretty sure everything in here is from my mom, but I have this card from my grandma. I have a 10-foot lightning charger, which I need. My phone will not stay charged, and my dog apparently, while I was at my dad's house for a week, chewed up my other charger, so I got a new one, thank the Lord. I've never had a 10-foot long charger, so I'm so freaking excited about that. Next, I have this face mask, this super bougie blingy ass face mask to match my fucking personality. I had this in the Amazon cart, and so she like saw some of the things I had in there, and she got this for me. I think it's so freaking cute. I'm so excited to use that, and it's very necessary for school since of the virus going around, you know. I got this Chi 44 Iron Guard thermal protection spray. You can tell that this was probably way too expensive because of how little this bottle is, but damn am I excited to use it, because my guess is she went to Sally's and got me this and the curling one at the same time. But I don't even like, I'm so excited. I'm just excited. Next, she got me 2 rings. I already have a ring from this brand, and it's this ring right here. It doesn't rust, and it was $12. So she got me 2 more that were also like on my Amazon list, and they're so cute. I have a very hard time getting these boxes open. And my brother got me this Snowflakes and Cashmere body lotion. These next 2 boxes are things that I bought for myself, but since I was out of town, they just now came in the mail, and I figured I'd just put them in here because I don't know. They're just like with all my presents. Everything was on sale for like 25% off on their website or something, so I made an order like 3 weeks ago, and it just now came in the mail like 2 days ago. But I got this ColourPop pressed powder blush from one of their new collections. I got a Super Shock highlighter in the shade Seismic. I heard amazing things about this from their That's Taupe collection, so I was like, I need this. Next, I have this Super Shock shadow in Cosmic Charge, and it's apparently broken. Apparently all of their Super Shock shadows break because I got one of their big vaults from Ulta, and there was like 3 shades in that broken too, but it's whatever. And then I have another one. I bought the Blue Moon palette from them, like this. And then I also got a lip liner in the shade Frenchie. Next package is from Jeffree Star, and I know some people really do not support him, but this is this super cute box. And I got the Cream Frost Wet Dream highlighter, and I'm so excited about that. I have 2 more bags, I promise. I have this bag from Hot Topic. It was just like laying under the tree. And I got the Post Malone shirt. It's from the Runaway tour. I'm not exactly sure what that is. I'm assuming it's one of his like old tours, but it's this extra large shirt, and it has these tour dates. I think this is freaking stunning, and I love that it's in an extra large because I love my shirts to be super oversized. And then I also have been looking everywhere for a new Ariana Grande t-shirt, and I got this one from the Sweetener tour, which I went on, but I bought a hoodie, and it looks like this, and it just says Sweetener tour, and it's like beautiful. Like, look at her. This is in the size large, which, like I said, I love my shirts to be like extra large and like really big on me because I'm tiny and I like baggy clothes for some reason, you know, I don't know. But I just think those are so freaking cute and I love them. My youngest brother got me this super cute bath set. Like I said, I love to take baths, and it comes with a lotion, bath bombs, a bar soap, a body scrub, and a shower gel. And it's in the scent Winter Mint, so I feel like it's gonna smell amazing. I can't wait to try it. My mom got me some of the Jessup eyeshadow brushes. I'm obsessed with this brand and I love them so much. My dad got me some steak jerky or something. I don't really know. He also got me this pack of makeup wipes. My sister got me this Sleek and Shine hair cream. And she also got me these 2 little like scrunchie / hair scarves, which are like super cute. My grandma got me a black silk robe. That's like the one thing I really asked her for that I really wanted. And then she also got me this really cute pair of little socks with a little snowman. Oh no, that's Santa Claus. A little Santa Claus on them. My dad got me the full Friends Vault collection of every single season and every single episode. It says that there's 236 episodes and there's 32 DVDs, which is a whole damn lot if you ask me, but I'm so excited to have this. It's my favorite show in the whole world, and since they took it off Netflix, I've not known what to do with my life. My grandma got me some chocolate, an Ulta gift card. My aunt got me the Vanilla Snowflake candle from Bath & Body Works. And the very last item, I have to end it on a high note, is the Ariana Grande Sweet Light Candy perfume. I got this from my dad, and I love it. It will go with all my other ones back there. I already have the Ari perfume, the Rem perfume, and the Cloud perfume. So now I have this one, and I just love her unconditionally. As everybody in my life knows, she's like the love of my life. That is everything I got. I know it is so much and it's excessive, I know that, but like I said, my parents are divorced and I have a big family and I still have other people to gift to. Like, I still have people to gift to, and I gifted to all my family members, and I just love Christmas so much. And I know it's not about the gifts, but it's like my tradition to do this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you all to the moon and back 100 times. Merry Christmas. I hope you had an amazing Christmas to make up for this really, really shitty as fuck year. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. Let me know what you got for Christmas, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, loves.